I'm talking about big juice, big move, big Betty in the back with a big cool. We move, my diamonds be white like an igloo. Don't lose, we talking about big juice. It's a big move.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be interviewing an upcoming artist in Manchester by the name of S4NTI. And today I'm going to be asking him some questions so that you can get to know who he is.
Yes, sir.
Right, first question. What's it like growing up in Manchester?
I don't know, like, I have mixed opinions. Like, I have mad mixed opinions on money.
Like, Manchester for me is a place of, like, home. It's like a place of security where, like, it's vibes.
No, vibes definitely there.
You can go everywhere. You got your peoples everywhere.
Everywhere.
It's a sense of community.
Everywhere. No, money's lit, man. Money's where the party be. But obviously where the party be is where Sunny be. Like, if I'm there with my team, trust me, you know it's lit, man. Because you won't even see me about. I'm always like that.
So you're saying you're going to put money on the map for real?
I fucking hope so. Bare upcoming artists in Manny, that's the thing, like, there's bare sick artists in Manny. Like, people don't look at Manny so much, like,
But you can be that voice for people, like, you can
No,
say
100.
you come from Manchester,
100.
and look, you can make it.
No, 100%. 100%. That's what I look to do, man. We're all gonna be there sitting at that table
Together eating.
Yeah, exactly.
Is there anyone that you hope to collab with from Manchester? Any upcoming artists that you hope to?
Yeah, obviously my boys, like, Comfy, AY.
Comfy.
Comfy's my G still. Flint, YT, Bobby Breeze, David, and that. Come on. AY as well. Obviously not AY Remy, 2-6 gang.
Shout out to the 2-6 gang. So what influenced you to do music?
What influenced me? Music's always been a part of me, a part of my life.
Is there any particular artist that you looked up to?
Yeah, like when I was younger, obviously, like the Michael Jackson and Chris Brown, like obviously, biggest artist in the world for me.
What kind of vibes do you think that you can bring to the industry?
Something that I don't have still.
Like what?
A bit of Santi.
A bit of Santi.
A bit of Santi.
And what does that consist of? What's a bit of Santi?
Just good vibes and energy still. Like, energy's elite, innit? You can't top it. Energy! I'm a calm person. Like, you get to know me, I'm just calm, innit?
Out of all the songs that you put out so far, which one has been your favourite?
Big mood. Nah, big mood.
I'm talking about big juice, big move.
Like, obviously, I went to Germany with my people then. And it was just lit, it was just vibes, it was mad
So
vibes.
just the culture and the vibes, just
Yeah, just my people made it lit, innit? That's what I mean. Like, when I'm with my people, we just
it's
flow
a
this
big
energy.
mood.
It's a big mood, exactly.
What does your music represent?
Me, innit? Like, sometimes I'm a bit of a storyteller, sometimes it's just vibes, energy. Like, recently, my music now that I've been making is just, boy, just wait to hear, innit? Like, that's what I can say. It's just
It's gonna be good.
top of the top, I can't lie. Like, if I'm not one of your favourites, innit, then, yo, check yourself, innit?
What message do you try to send out to your fans through your music?
Be lit.
Just
Stay
have a
lit.
good time.
Just stay lit, like 24/7 lit.
Do you have any meet and greets or anything that people can come and meet you and actually get to see these vibes?
If you stay focused on my page and on obviously my management page on Switch, then you'll know about it still.
So you got Switch, Instagram,
My Insta obviously,
Snapchat.
yeah, official S4NTI. My Snap is JJ_6.
all of that. I'll put it all in the description below for you to be able to add in. And do you have any music coming out? Anything that we can be expecting?
I got new music coming out still. Soon, very soon. So stay on top of it, man. Getting the music up. We've done that. Catalogue is mad. It's brazy. I can't lie.
Will it be out for summer?
100%.
June
Summertime we
21st,
getting lit.
will we have these songs?
Summer we getting lit. Like, summer we getting lit.
So this summer we're going to be hearing S4NTI on the radio.
100%. If you hear me on the radio, just turn your speakers up. Just turn it up. If you turn it down, you're pagan.
But what do you think makes you different to other artists? What makes you so unique?
What makes me unique?
What makes you S4NTI? And you can't just say being S4NTI.
What makes me unique? They ain't got the sauce. They ain't got the 4. They don't roll with the 4.
And what is the 4?
The 4 is a lot. The 4. You'll know about it one day, but I can't really disclose that now, innit? But the 4 is something.
Oh, we can't know now. It's a secret.
So I am full basically.
So you
It's on
are
my
the
neck,
force
it's
of
on-
4.
Yeah, fool's me.
Show us, let's see.
Yeah.
That's nice. So I'm sure, as you can tell, he's very good looking. So I'm sure some of the girls want to know the answer to this question. But is there any ladies in Santi's life right now?
No, still.
So you're single.
Yeah.
And his Snapchat will be in the description below.
Nah, I'm joking. I'm married still.
Are you?
Yeah, married to the paper, innit?
Oh, married to Lizzie.
Nah, I'm single, but obviously, like, music's my focus, innit? That's straight up. Like,
We're just focusing on music for now.
Yeah, like, straight up. Like, I ain't trying to do no higgy hagger.
And with music, what do you hope to accomplish in the next 10 years? Where do you see yourself? Up there with the stars, Stormzy, Digger D, all of them. Do you see yourself there? Burna Boy?
Bigger than that.
Bigger than that?
Bigger than that.
If you could change one thing about the industry, what would it be?
Stereotypes. There's just too many stereotypes in music. That goes in the ass. So it's not 6'9", it's 6'4" now, yeah?
Huh?
You heard that. Carry on.
What? It's not 6'9", it's 6'4". Oh, yeah? But why not 6'9"? As in the rapper 6'9" or like 69, like...
See, where's your head going?
See, I was wondering about you.
I was talking about, we're talking music here.
Oh, right. Do you have any hobbies outside of music? Is there anything else that you like to do in your spare time?
Yeah, bang ball, innit?
Basketball?
No, football.
Oh. Football, do you play for a team or just in your spare time?
Yeah, don't watch that, innit?
This boy is so secretive. Like, so I can't know the team that you play for?
Nah, still.
Right. So one day I'm just going to turn on my TV and you're just going to be there?
Could be.
Listen to this, fact. So you got Eva. That's so good though. That
No,
you have
of
like
course.
your eggs in different baskets.
Yeah, I got my eggs in a lot of baskets.
That's very smart. If you can take anything from this video, take the fact that put your time and your efforts into lots and lots of different things, just in case if something fails, you have other stuff to fall back on, because you don't just want to waste your time, you know?
I don't have eggs though, I have balls in it, so put your balls in all your baskets. Next question.
What's one message that you'd like to give to your fans?
Message I'd like to give to my fans. Chop life before life chops you.
Period.
What she said. Nervous in the raw.
Do that make you nervous?
No, Dad, relax.
Do I not?
No.
Okay.
And no.
Rude.
I know you personally. Like, we're cool, we're lit. She don't make me nervous.
I make you nervous.
She don't make me nervous.
He lying. The shots, my quick shot fire.
I know you didn't even finish it, bro.
I just did three.
Yeah, exactly, that's poor.
Right. If you had to get one piercing on your face, where would it be apart from your ears?
My nose.
KFC or McDonald's?
McDonald's.
Oh my god, everybody always says KFC.
Fuck KFC.
I don't even like it. Like, I really don't like it.
Ooh, man, like, just put too much salt on the chicken. Like, my taste bud's bare strong. Like, choose out of the one of the two. Say McDonald's, but neither only. I don't even eat.
Oh.
Either of them. I don't eat either of them.
Eat healthy, you don't really.
Yeah, I'm a healthy guy still.
You go to gym, work
Yeah,
out.
I go to gym a lot still.
Oh. So you're single and you go to the gym?
Yeah, you find me in gym 24/7. If I'm not getting lit.
If he's not getting lit and he's not being Santi, you'll catch him at the gym.
You didn't finish your 5 questions. You did 4.
Oh yeah.
It's so poor.
Sorry, I've got no. I keep forgetting.
5 questions before you forget. That's what we're on.
Oh yeah.
I know.
Right, Nike or Adidas?
Nike.
Wig or braids?
Braids. Big man thing. I like girl natural. I prefer girl natural. No, serious. Like, I don't care how short your hair is or whatnot, but like, natural hair is.
Really?
Yeah. I'm just that kind of guy. Everything natural.
See, I actually think that stuff, you know, because my actual hair is actually fine, but it's just like an afro. Do you get it? So obviously
And
you
there's
just...
nothing wrong with that.
I know, because you see, like, I always see on my Instagram, I see things.
That's what it comes down to, innit? Like, when you ask me what one thing I'll change, stereotypes.
I could wear this and take a picture and get loads of likes, but if I wear the exact same thing and like not my wig, I actually would get like half the likes.
Exactly. That's
Not
what
to
it is.
put too much weight on your shoulders, but you're gonna change the stereotype.
Yeah, 100%.
Of course.
Facts.
When you get big, I want a song, like an actual song about empowering black people and people from the hood. I want a song like that.
Easily done.
So then I can listen to it with my
Easily
natural
done.
hair.
Gang.
How many kids would you like to have in the future?
Mad. 4. If it's any number related question, just know it will always be a 4.
Oh, I didn't even think about... Oh, really?
100.
How many times do you eat a day? 4.
Breakfast, lunch, dinners, and snacks.
I think the girls are going to be after you.
No.
No, like, I'm being dead serious. Like, I'm being dead serious. You got the waves, you got the beard, you got the tattoos, you got the clear skin, you got the talent.
I might grow my hair still.
You're going to grow your hair?
No, I'm joking. Still, imagine.
Don't do that.
You don't want to.
If you had to pick another hairstyle, what would you do?
I won't do anything. I'll leave it the way
You'd
it
be
is.
bald?
No, I'll leave it the way it is.
If you had to.
No, because then I look like Crept. And I don't want that.
Crep.
With hair, I look like Crept.
Oh my...
Yeah, I literally had braids in it, like plaits. And everyone's calling me Crept.
You kind of look like Conan.
Nah, dead. Nah, I don't look like fucking... Nah, dead. Not fucking Conan. I look more like... If anything, like the one that pissed me off the most, even you're gonna see it now that I say it. Fucking Marcel from Love Island. Yeah.
Oh my god, you actually do.
I
Right, you're trapped in the prison cell
Mm.
for 12 hours. You have to be in there with one artist.
For 12 hours.
And they have to perform for the whole 12 hours. Who would you listen to? Who would you be in there with?
Oh, mad. J Hus. Hustler. Hustler. Easy. Hustler.
Adele or Rita Ora?
Fuck. Though.
Really?
I listen more to Rita than Adele, innit? That's why.
Really?
I have in past, innit? Yeah.
I forgot about you, Rita Ora, to be honest.
I just fuck more with her energy in it than Adele's.
Oh yeah, she did a song with Chris Brown.
Exactly. She's
I
got
was
energy.
So jealous.
She's got energy. Obviously, Adele can probably move a bit more now, innit? Like,
Stop it. What kind of opportunities do you hope that music will bring to you? And what doors do you think music can open for you?
what doors do I think music can open for me? It's not really a matter of doors opening up for me. It's me opening music doors that are locked.
Elaborate.
There's doors that are locked, innit? Sound that people haven't heard. You know, energy that people haven't felt.
So you just want to do music just to do music?
There's no background to it. Like, I love music, man. Point blank. I love music. Music's always been a part of me. I want to make people enjoy music, innit? Like, I want people to vibe with music.
Very talented. Not only do you do lots of different genres, but you actually play instruments, and I think you get a lot of rappers these days, but they just rapping is talking. All you need to do is be able to rhyme on a flow, really.
Exactly.
It's not much to it, but I think being an actual artist and being able to sing and actually work with your vocals and like use instruments and stuff like that, I think that's really good. There's a lot of rappers and just not a lot of artists.
She's getting the force.
4. Is that what it is?
You're clocking on now. She's clocking on slowly.
Can we hear a little preview of anything that you've got coming out? Because I'm intrigued, you know.
Yeah. You know what? Let me not speak on it still.
It's just so secretive. I don't like all these secrets. It's so mysterious. So we are going to be the first people to hear this song. No one has heard it yet.
We don't wanna trouble nobody, but the army is on me. Come against me and my team.
Yeah, that's what we're here for.
And it was just getting... Oh my god! I'm actually mad. This is my first time hearing it, like, actually. I didn't even get to hear it proper. But what creates all this sauce? What is your culture? What is your background? What makes you S4NTI?
Angolan, baby.
The Angolan.
Yeah, come on.
Shout out to all the Angolans watching. You guys are a vibe.
Yeah. Angolans be lit, man. Like, trust me, different kind of vibe. Different kind of vibe. Brazil, where it's at, if you wanna.
Where is Angola?
Angola's in Africa, innit? Angola's in Africa.
Yeah.
But I'm a bit of everything, innit? I got Spanish and Brazilian in me as well. And Portuguese. Yeah.
Oh, so you spicy. Oh.
So hablo un poquito de español también.
Te quiero comer la polla.
Oh, yeah?
Ooh. You don't even know what I just said.
I do.
Oh. I'm cutting that out.
Yeah. That's it. Sauce. No ketchup.
I just clapped what you said. What kind of genre of music do you plan on putting out?
Oh, I'm versatile. I'm bare. I'm different. That's the thing. See, with me, I could put any beat.
So you can do rap, drill.
I don't like drill.
Oh, sorry.
I
So
can't
no
lie.
drill. We're not expecting
You
no
know what?
drill.
No,
from
you know what
us.
it is? No. Let me. I can do it, but you won't see it. You'll see me hop on the drill beat. Don't get me wrong. Even though
But
I don't.
you'll switch it up.
It'll be my style though.
Santi.
It'll be Santi style. Like always, I can hop on any beat, regardless of the beat. It'll always be my sound and my style.
Right. Okay, so I'm gonna do a segment of the video called quick fire questions. I'm gonna just do quick fire questions.
It's a quick fire. You know?
So I don't know what I'm gonna ask you. You don't even know the answer, right? So I'm gonna do quick fire questions with Santi. Just gonna catch him off guard and just see. They're gonna be random questions.
Alright.
Right. Okay, you ready? Apple juice or orange juice?
Apple.
Cats or dogs?
Dogs.
Upstairs or downstairs?
Upstairs.
Why?
Just an upstairs guy. Plus North is up.
If you had to play one instrument for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Piano.
Can you play the piano?
A bit. I'm more of a drum guy though.
You play the, so wait, so you play drum?
Yeah man, I love melodies, man.
Oh yeah, well that'd be nice to listen to actually.
Exactly.
If you only had to listen to one thing.
I wouldn't want to be listening to bash boom
drum.
boom boom crash. You get-
What is your ideal date? If you had to take a girl on a date, what would it be? We're talking 1 year anniversary now.
Mad.
You only get one shot. What would you do?
I said 1 year anniversary.
Well, so can you not be in a committed relationship? Is that what you're saying?
No, of course I can, but that's next girl is gonna probably be my wife, isn't it? So like.
Yeah, so 1 year anniversary, what are you gonna do? It's gonna be your wife, then your future wife. What are you gonna do to make it special?
What am I gonna do to make it special? Bring her me. I'm special.
Lord God.
Right, to make it special. I don't know, you know, I am a romantic guy, but at heart, innit? Like you might not think it, but at heart I'm.
Yeah, you don't look very romantic now. You look a bit. Now you don't look like you like to cuddle or nothing like that, but it's alright.
Obviously, I can cuddle. Like I can cuddle, obviously. Like, but it's not an everyday thing, innit? You have to be in the mood. You have to be in the mood for it, innit? Like you have to be in the. I don't know. Like to be honest, yeah. If it's the right person, I'll do whatever. It's one of them.
You do whatever. What is whatever?
Love and affection.
Right. Love and affection, right? The love of your life has just been bitten by a venomous snake, right?
I'm sucking the blood out.
But you don't even know where it is.
What do you mean I don't know?
You don't know where the bite is.
I don't know. I'll find it. Whole clothes coming off. I'll find it.
You're a freak. Right, as soon as you're so freaky, are you going to be putting out any songs to get people in the mood?
I'm not. Of course I'm not. Like, if I did, then obviously there wouldn't be any point, innit?
You don't know what to expect from me.
No, obviously not.
I'm talking about big juice, big mood, big Betty in the back with a big coupe. We move, my diamonds be white like an igloo.